Hi Siddharth, this is Anshul from Jaipur Literature Festival. I hope you are enjoying the festival.
Yes, I am. I am really enjoying it, and very nice session, very nice people, and looking forward to the next couple of days.
Okay, what do you say about the entire lineup like Javed Akhtar, Shalini Pasi and then Satish Punia, a combination of all bureaucrats and all, plus celebrities, plus highly
Very nice.
intellectual.
That's the speciality of Jaipur Literature Festival. It organizes the festival in a way where all the eminent personalities and speakers from all over the world, not just India, can come and give their knowledge, and people can enjoy and understand whatever they need to with the kind of knowledge that's around. I mean, it's a fantastic opportunity for Jaipurites.
One out of the way question, like there's little era of Gen Z is going on, and then I want to say like every country is having their own AI system now. Like Germany has an own their AI, India is also have their own AI, then America own AI, exclusive they're developing their own AIs. So how do you imagine the clash after 3 years when every AI will become strong and every country becomes AI enabled strong, and then they start fetching each other's data when we search something, and then it could be possibly a AI war, or what do you imagine about this?
I mean, it's an interesting future that's ahead. I mean, it's probably the first time ever in the last few decades that we're unsure about what's going to happen in the next few years. We are not really sure. We're not really sure what kind of education shall be imparted to children. We're not really sure what kind of jobs will be there for people. I mean, AI is going to take away a lot of jobs. It's already doing that. And of course, data is being taken away by all the multinationals, whether it's Google, Amazon, all the big MNCs from China and even India. Interesting scenario, and I really can't imagine, to be honest. There are so many moving variables to this AI. Every day is a new challenge, and what I do understand is, going ahead, human skills, human interactions are going to be rare, and that is what we must preserve. And this is why Jaipur Literature Festival becomes really, really important, because it gives preference to that human connection. We listen to people, we can connect with our friends and some of the people that are there in our society. That's one way to actually go past this AI challenge that's going to come charging at us in the next few years.
Siddhant, I want to say, what do you imagine, like supposing India's AI, somebody is digging up again. How do you imagine, like somebody is putting vada pav on India's AI, and then Germany's AI is fetching data and clashing it with some other like Frankfurt food article. So how do you think this AI can clash